One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and it's bright out. But I'm going to show you how to take your motor from this to this. And I know that I went like this, but that's where the picture's going to be, I guess. I got all kinds of cars. All kinds of cars. And I'll tell you what, I like cars. And motors and tires and wheels are one of the biggest things you can do on your car to make a little cash. Everything you see is for sale. And I get stuff that has faded paint, masking tape or stuff, packaging tape all over it. I get beautiful things. Everything's beautiful in its own right. I just did this Mercury. Any kind of cars you're interested in, I got you covered. I got you covered. I got all kinds of stuff. So, this is going to be a detailing video. And if you're interested in any of the cars, check them out on oneownercarguy.com. I've got over 100 cars. All kinds of old stuff. Look at that custom cab. Let's get on to the detailing. And I've got all kinds of different people that ask about detailing motors, and it's one of the main things that people really kind of freak out about detailing, about getting their engine wet, and about power washing things, and just getting into it and getting into the grime. It's a little bit more entailed than just washing your car. Kirill's here from Russia.
Hi.
And Kirill you hadn't done a lot of motors before you came over here.
Yeah.
He's professional now. Boom, just like that. It's not hard.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of getting in it and getting your hands dirty and getting the elbow grease. He's going to pop the hood, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be dealing with here. And we're going to do this motor and kind of make a video of it one way or another. I don't know how this will all come out, but I know we've got a car here that's a government car. Check this out. Well, I should have showed you first. Nice, clean 98 Grand Prix. And it's the 3800 Series 2. And the engine compartment is just dirty. Now there's things on this like corrosion here that I'm not really going to be able to do nothing about. But just the cleaning up of this motor, if you're trying to get top value out of your car, number one, or if you're just maintaining it, this is one thing the government did not do, obviously, is clean their car. But it's also down at the border control type services, and it's a dusty area in the areas where they have these, so it gets dirty real quick. So I'm going to take some pictures and we'll get into just doing the whoosh whoosh and doing this thing up. Okay, I took a few pictures. I'm going to show you one more area of it that is something that you just want to get. And it's that motor and tranny right there where they come together. And I'm going to show you underneath. I haven't actually looked. Pretty clean. Easy to clean the oil pan and stuff while you're under here, of course. That's a catty sound. So this will be all cleaned up in a while, and I'll throw some in a while. One thing you're going to want to do when you're cleaning these cars is start the motor. Under the hood here, look at this. It's clean, but it's going to be a lot cleaner when we're done scrubbing on it. That's for damn sure. So we're going to start it up, and we're going to do it to it. Okay, so like I say, simply start it up. That'll help the motor get warmer. Motor get warmer? Yeah. It'll help the motor get warmer and kind of help you clean it a lot. And it'll keep it from getting water and everything a little bit. You don't want to spray directly in things. Like, I wouldn't spray directly in that, but you can whoosh past it. You don't want to spray directly into, like, that kind of stuff. It's just not smart. Into computer or anything. No! Don't spray directly into it. Whoosh past it. Be very quick. You don't want to spray into this a whole bunch. It's just not what a guy does. Look at that. Factory, baby. Oh, factory. What is this? I don't know. It's a fused item. I'm going to check. We'll ask Gunner. Gunner will know. Look at how this is and how clean this is going to be in the end. It's just kind of a cool thing. It's not a leaky old car, but you do get things on it after time. But it's just easy to clean up. Okay, power washer's here, and first of all, just get it wet. You don't want to really get into it too much. You just want to wet everything down. Be careful of the hood liner. Don't get too close to it. It will retain water and get heavy and fall apart. So at first you're just letting some water get on it and let it soak in. From there, now's the time to blow any leaves up top or anything like that out. From there it's all scrubbing. Okay, so now we're at the point where we sprayed the greaser on everything, scrubbed it down a bit, and do it in sections. We're doing this half right now. Never let it get dry. I'll show you up close on the hood here. You'll have to be back a bit where the spray don't hit the camera. But once I spray it down, don't breathe this shit. It's actually already soaked a bit. Now get close to your hood and the brush will take this stuff right off. And this makes one of the biggest differences when you're doing your car. Or whether or not it looks like the stinking motor's blown up. It's just not having this kind of grease on it. No need for it, but make sure and scrub it and get it off within like 30 seconds. That's all you got. Once it starts getting dry, you got a problem. If that sounded matter of fact, it's because it is. You can even see some of the red coming off there. Take it up close. Now we can show it up close to that side, and you see it's just totally clean. And we'll compare to the other side. It's just an amazing difference. So we've got the motor half done. I'll show you this in a minute. That's it. Talk to you in a second. And that's it. We're good. Everything's clean. We're going to seal it up and let it run for a minute. And we're good. I'll seal this up, let it run for a minute to dry off. We got a beautiful 68,000 original mile car here, and I will show you the rest of the motor after we get it sprayed down and detailed out. When you're doing your motor, do your wheels and tires at the same time. Carril's already hit these up, they look great. We'll talk to you in a while with a redone car. Okay, the car is washed up, and it looks great. But we're actually doing the headlights now. Let me get in here. That is the motor. What a difference. I mean, seriously, what a difference. Look at this. Show you the up close and everything. Down in here. We're talking nice, clean. This car looks like new. I mean, on a quick detail job, just because somebody had never ever cleaned the dust out from under the hood. So it just looks amazing. That's the deal. I'm gonna take some pictures. Call it good. Any kind of cars you need, give me a call. And all kinds of videos, daily videos on here. You name it, we got stuff. This one was engine detailing. Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, check out all my videos, and daily videos every day. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.